Hello there, it's Paul here from Australia. My first YouTube review. I've watched a lot. I'm into watches, watched a lot of watch videos. Never thought I'd do a review on YouTube of a watch, but decided to because I bought a PAM 676, and when I was looking for this PAM, I couldn't find that many videos. I found a few and they helped. So what have I learnt from watch reviews? Firstly, always start with a wristwatch check. So wristwatch check. Today is my Planet Ocean Titanium 8900 movement or something like that. Bravo band. Yeah, it's a great watch. My daily wear. I love it. So that's it. Wristwatch check. Done. Now, what else have I learned from these video reviews? I have learned to wear gloves. So luckily the people at Omega at the boutique one day very kindly gave me a pair of Omega gloves when I told them that my Omega was getting all blotchy and I was polishing it all the time. They said, here, have some gloves. Okay, thanks, I'll take the gloves. So, Panerai. Panerai, a brand that I've been interested in for a very long time. Why didn't I get one earlier? Well, not the size, but the thickness. So 44mm Panerai Lumina Marina. Beautiful watch, beautiful, love the sandwich dial. Don't mind the size, 44 is fine for me, but the thickness was just too much. It was top heavy. To me, it was top heavy. The 47 Lumina Marinas, I found them better. They were bigger, but at least they seemed less top heavy because they could carry the thickness. The 45mm Radium is beautiful. I was pretty tempted by one of them because they're 45 is fine for me. Also a bit thinner, but the one that really got me is this beauty. Oh, how do I open it? This way. Unboxing. Fake unboxing. It's already unboxed. So, Panerai Lumina Due 44mm. Sorry, 42mm. Losing my mind. Alright, so 42mm Panerai Lumina. There we go. Tick, 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 tick. What I love about it is this. Thin. So 10.5mm of thickness there. What else do I love about it? I love the manual wind. I love the way it's like butter to wind. I love the sandwich dial. I absolutely love the colour of the loom, or the loom when it's not loomed, what do you call that? But notice how the off-white brownie numerals match the hands exactly, and the font on the dial as well. In daylight and when the lights are on, perfect match. So it's really absolute beauty. It's a simple watch, it's very simple. Much more simple than say I've got my Zenith El Primero, a beautiful thing with open heart. A lot more going on for the same sort of price. I love them both, but the Panerai is absolutely stunning in its simplicity, and it's absolutely, just absolutely beautiful watch. One thing I did, when you buy these, normally the standard strap is just plain black. So note that this strap here has this got cream stitching that matches the cream numerals and the cream on the hands there. What you got on. In the back there, beautiful movement. So that's one of their in-house movements. Was that the P1000? yeah, as I said before, it's like butter to wine. Absolutely beautiful. I almost get excited. Like, it's a 3-day power reserve, but every day I'm like, wind down a bit so I can wind you up again, because it's so much fun to wind. Yeah, beautiful little there. Again, little wind. Probably can't hear that, but it's beautiful. Oh, it's already fully wound because I'm always winding the thing. Beautiful. Look at that. What else? It's just a really nice looking watch. I can get away with this, so every day, even summer, winter, I can wear this with jeans. I can wear it anywhere I like. It doesn't really stand out as a particularly dressy piece. There's no gold on it, but sure, it's when you go out, yeah, makes me feel $1 million. It's I know it's there, and the weight of it, the feel on the wrist, beautiful. The strap, of course, absolutely beautiful. The finish, it's perfection. Really good quality watch. What I did notice when I was looking around at reviews, I was getting a little bit of stick about this 30-meter water resistance thing. Ooh, 30 meters. Oh God, it's so terrible. Panerai, what have you done? It's a disgusting thing, and it's brand destroying. Anyway, okay, that was I read a bit about that. Really, that with that leather strap, if that said 200 meters on it, would I be diving in with that on? 300 meters, 100 meters? No, I wouldn't, because that strap is not a strap for the water. So when I go swimming, what I do? Oh, grab that one. Grab the Omega. Doesn't have to be whatever you got. You can grab any watch that's waterproof when you go for a swim. So instead of me saying, oh, I've got to go for a nice swim with my 300 meter, if it was 300 meter Panerai, with this beautiful strap, but I can't wear the strap. I'm going to have to take it home, take off the rubber strap. I'll take off the leather strap, put on a rubber strap, and go swimming with my Panerai and my rubber strap. It's probably even quicker to go home and say, I'll swap watch, go swimming with that one. It's not rocket science. So, and as to why it's 30 meters, not 50, not 100, I don't know. I don't think it's cost cutting. I think that's ridiculous to even think that could be that. I think what it is keeping this as thin as possible. Maybe it's a thing of 100 meters took an extra 0.5 millimeters or an extra millimeter. I don't know what it is. I'm not a watch maker or expert like that. So I assume they just went, we want it as thin as we can get it. We can assume people aren't really going to swim in this thing because it's got a leather strap, and it's more of a dress watch. It's not a sports watch. And we're probably going to assume people won't whinge and whine about 30-meter resistance, but a few people did. Anyway, those people, forget it, didn't bother me. So, 30-meter water resistance. Anything else I don't like about the watch? It's tough. I guess the standard strap being plain black. Yeah, that was pretty, it wasn't a great idea. It looked good, but a bit plain. That strapping that you see there, those stitches on the black croc, fantastic. So, yeah, as I said before, that was probably something they should have done. Everything else about the watch, I think is great. I love the size. I should put it on the wrist. Wrist. On the wrist. So I have a 6 3/4 inch wrist. And there it is. So on a 6 3/4 inch wrist, to me it's just about right. As I said, I often have 44 millimeter watches. 42 is probably my sweet spot. So when going to the Panerai, going to the Omega, 43.5. I wear that regularly. 42 for the slim Panerai, beautiful. What else do I have? Well, I've got a few other watches over there. If I do another video, I'll go through my collection. Let's see if this one goes well. If you enjoyed it, my first video on YouTube about watches. If you enjoyed it, let's give me a thumbs up, because I hear everyone on YouTube says, if you enjoyed it, give me a thumbs up. It really helps. So if you enjoyed it, give me a thumbs up, please. It really helps. If you didn't enjoy it, don't give me a thumbs down because it's just not nice. But anyway, I'll post this on YouTube and hopefully it helps someone else out who's looking at Panerai Dues. And believe me, no regrets on this one. It's an absolute keeper. People would, I guess another criticism of Panerai is that they're overpriced, and yeah, they are not cheap, but it makes me smile every day. It's a beautiful watch. So thank you so much for watching my first YouTube video on watches. Yeah, pretty long. Feels a bit weird talking to myself, but yeah, hopefully I've come across as well as some of these other people that I've watched. So many YouTubers I've watched on doing watch reviews over the years. Yeah, and I owe a lot to those YouTubers. I guess to my personal obsession with watches. So thank you to those YouTubers who post regularly, and I hope you guys enjoyed this review of my PAM 676.